Tianjin Rocketis Technology Company, 20 years of house clamp excellence, your global fastening solution expert. Since our establishment in 2005, we have specialized in the R&D, manufacturing, and global export of premium house clamps. As an industry-leading manufacturer, we offer a comprehensive range of high-quality house clamps that strictly comply with DIN 3017, SAE, and other international standards. Our major products are worm drive house clamps, single and double bolt house clamp, T-bolt clamp, constant tall clamp, quick release clamp, Y clamp, rubber clamp, U-clamp, spring clamp, mini clamp, stainless steel clamp. As a trusted house clamp specialist, we take pride in delivering not just products, but complete solutions, combining superior quality, cost, effectiveness, and exceptional service to ensure your complete satisfaction. Every clamp we produce carries our commitment to excellence, and every customer relationship we build reflects our dedication to being your most reliable partner in the industry. If you are interested, welcome to contact us. The best price and free samples are ready for you. Waiting for your message.